Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can suggest a missing research paper or study or academic texts in a reply provided to you by Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the given conversation inside your Consensus AI account. And let's assume, for instance, you have been given a list of studies and research papers within your request here by Consensus AI, but you ended up not being content with the result because you expected a specific, institution or research paper or study to be included in these sources. So there's the option to suggest a change to that or to suggest a specific institution or research paper for the given request and also reply. So what you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the given reply. And then guys, you will see this button here at the bottom, give feedback. And from here guys, what you want to do is click into this field. Doing this is optional, but you can do this and add a missing paper you expected you to see. Like you can enter the URL of the given website, for example, if it's an academic text, or you can go with a title, separate it by comma, for example, University of and so on and so forth, department and so on and so forth, or study by and then you enter the name of the given researcher or something like that, or research institution. And after that guys, click into submit here in the bottom right, and that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.